Hey Bob, just wanted to show you how to edit your policies for your exam. So here you have this set, you still have it set from 7:55 a.m. to 9 a.m. So what I would do here is I'll let you edit this however you'd like. If you want it to be open until 10 to give that 2-hour window, you would just click edit and edit from here. But then you would go into this settings portion and expand advanced settings and then edit here. Add a time limit, 60 minutes. If you want to change that to 65, you can. If you want to scramble the questions, obviously we do not want to allow printing given this is an exam. But you can actually walk through each of these. Again, with this being an exam, I would assume you would just allow one attempt. And then if you wanted to give any resources, and actually what you would do was click right here if you wanted students to be able to ask the instructor about specific questions. And then you will just apply to this assignment only. If you want this applied to all future exams, you can do that. And then you're ready to go. Thank you.